Hello friends, when I'm giving Gmail ID to register free 30 days trial in IICS, I'm getting invalid email ID. There is one workaround option. We will use that option to register Informatica 30 days free trial account without any issues. Let's see that option how to resolve this issue. Go to Google, type temp email and Google search. Click on the first link. It will navigate one website. Wait some time, you will see one email ID. Use that email ID and go to that IICS login page. Update there. Click below all the tick box and click on submit. You will receive message to your email ID. And also you will see a success message on the next page. Go to temporary email. See that message from Informatica admin team. Click that link. See activate email ID. Click that email. You will navigate to Informatica page. Enter your password and confirm your password. Add your security questions which are mandatory to feature purpose. If you want to change your password or reset your password, you can use these security questions. Select all the tick box. Click submit button. You will see this window means you are able to successfully log in IICS account. Thanks for watching my video.